So, kung nagbabala ka magpa-certify for Google, for example, for machine learning or for generative AI, so suggestion ko na talaga mag-aral kang mabuti kasi nga, pag ginawa mo na yung classes nila, one is naka-time siya, no? So, naka-time lahat yung laboratory exercises. So, kailangan matapos mo siya within the time limit. Second, madaming quizzes. As in, madaming quiz. So, hindi ka magpo-proceed to the next topic kung hindi ka nakaabot ng minimum requirement nila sa mga quiz. And usually, ang passing score, mga 80%, no? So, today, siguro, ilang beses bumagsak sa isang subject, which is yung model evaluation, machine learning operations for model evaluation. Siguro 6 na beses akong bumagsak because nga, una siguro dahil hindi ako nakinig masyado sa lecture, but pangalawa, it's very, very hard kasi mga ano nga siya, you have to understand the how you evaluate foundational models or generative or machine learning models. So anyway, gusto ko lang siya i-share, no, because kung babala ka nga lang mag-aral ng or magpa-certify, be prepared, no, kasi nga matrabaho siya at requires a lot of memory. Kaya this December, ginawa ko lang talaga na mag-aral for at least makapag-certify, ma-finish ko yung mga courses. Madami kasing courses sila. So pwede ka mamili naman kung anong courses na gusto mo. Iba libre, iba hindi libre. I mean, you have to have credits. But since part ako ng cohort for the startup, so we have credits, we can access mga special courses nila. But yung mga iba, pwede naman lang i-access. No? So, yun lang. So, lang sabi sa inyo na it's pakita ko yung score ko. Ayan. So, yan ang yan topic, ML. Introduction pa lang yan. So, as you can see, 75, 50, 25, 0. Mahirap talaga. I mean, it took me a while to be able to get the correct answers, no? So, yun. So, next time, kung gusto mo mag-aral, I mean, masaya siya. Madami kong natutunan. Even though it's a part of the Gemini, or you're gonna be using Gemini or Vertex AI, which is the Google AI, you'll learn a lot, especially yung concepts behind it. And I really suggest na if you're pursuing a path in AI engineering or in the AI space, it's good to know, no? But, flex ko lang, no? Flex ko rin to. So at least kasi maganda sa kanya may score, may point system. So at least 4th place tayo overall. No? So yan, proud ako dyan. So yan, so this is just like a break from the usual turo in terms of AI. So hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.